Mmm.
King King, you ready to go cook? You want to go cook? Cook. Okay, go. A little bit of grocery shopping, not too much. A little something, something. You're not gonna help me with the bags? Go ahead, take it to the house. Take it inside. Bring it inside, yeah? Go ahead. Go ahead. Big boy. He's coming right back. Look at him. Dragging it on the floor, King King. Okay. Yeah, y'all gotta be saying I'm always giving him something to do. That's funny. He be chilling, man. He be chilling. Right, King King? He acting like the key's heavy. Look at him. Yeah, man. Put on some cooking today. I'm trying to get it done in the kitchen today, boy. Seems like a nice day, you know? Yeah, man. We just gonna cook and chill, watch some TV, and relax, you know? Yeah, man. Gotta enjoy life. Gotta enjoy life, man. You never know, you know? Gotta make memories. Go, King King. Go. Gotta make memories, man. You're gonna be looking back and like, damn, I've been cooking from a young age. Gotta teach him to cook from a young age, man. Yeah, gotta make memories, you know? Y'all look at him, man. This boy was pretending, acting like he's working so hard. He act like he's working so hard. Look at him. King King, you working hard, right? You working so hard, right? Y'all, they be chilling, man. King just be chilling. Easy life, man. King don't got nothing to worry about. He chilling. Let me tell y'all something. Let me put y'all on, matter of fact. If you're not from the Caribbean, you don't know. When it comes to snacks, please do your research. This right here, catch, best Caribbean snack. You can debate about it. One of the best snacks ever. This right here. If you're not from the Caribbean, do your research and try it, please. One of the best, man. Top 2 at least, but I'll say the best snack. Top 2. You gotta try it for yourself. It was made in Trinidad. Okay. Best. Yeah, so this is what we got at the grocery store today. Some mushroom, okra, scallion, thyme. I'm not gonna name out everything, but yeah, fish, all that. So I don't even know what exactly I'm gonna cook today. If I'm gonna cook chicken or fish, I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with. Guess you guys just gotta stay tuned and see what's going on. So you know the first thing we gotta do is you gotta wash your fish, man. So this is not a tutorial, I'm just letting y'all know. This is not how to cook fish, but I'm just cooking up real quick so I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Yeah, so I'm just washing off the fish real quick, and I'm gonna put some vinegar in it. Make sure you can kill all that rawness now, man. I don't like my fish when it's too raw, man. So I let it soak in a little bit in the vinegar real quick, and some lime. I'm just tired of all the chicken, man. So I decided not to do chicken no more. Do the fish. You know, soon I gotta start eating super healthy. Cause I'm about to be on my workout stuff. I mean, I still got that what they call that pandemic stomach right now. You know what I mean? So I'm about to get back in shape. You start working out and stuff like that. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Watch the journey, you know. And y'all start working out too, man. I'm talking to you that's watching. You know who you are. And start working out, man. Don't let me pass you, man. Don't let me get my six-pack before you. I mean, see the little dad stomach going on right here. I mean, it's not crazy, but I mean, that's not me. Gotta get it together. So guys, yeah, so let me show you all the seasoning that I put in my fish. Well, I said this wasn't gonna be a tutorial, but it started to turn out to it's starting to turn out to be a tutorial right now, but I can't help myself, man. But it's not a tutorial. I'm not teaching you how to cook a fish. I'm just telling you how I cook a fish. I mean, but let me show you all the seasoning that I use. One of my favorite Obey seasoning, if you know, you know. This fish seasoning, amazing. Brown and salt. It's like complete seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, paprika. And this my seasoning right here that I mixed up. I can't tell you what it is. It's like a family recipe. I can't tell you what it is. Secret. But yeah, let's get it in there. Of course, green seasoning. If you know, you know. You gotta cook with colors, man. Colors so pretty. I love them colors. Like cooking for me is so relaxing, you know. When I'm cooking, I just be no stress. You know what I mean, no stress. It's just in my zone, you know. This don't feel like work for me. Me cooking don't feel like work at all. I enjoy cooking. Like a lot of times I cook. It's not like I'm hungry why I cook. I just cook because I enjoy it, you know what I mean? I can't even focus on cooking now because King is sleeping. So I'll get a little free time, enjoy his sleep. Well, let's get it done in the kitchen. So that was the onions. Cut out the tomato real quick. So I'm gonna cut up a little bit more mushroom, okra, scallion, and thyme. But that's how it's looking so far. I love them colors, man. Colors look amazing. What's up, guys? I'm gonna go on the road real quick, like a quick run to the supermarket, get some coconut milk. I forgot to get it, man. Let me just get it real quick before King wake up. Hopefully he don't get up. But my mom watching him. It's not like I have him home by himself. That sounded crazy. Let me pull out the windows. That sounded crazy. My mom watching him, but he's still gonna ask for me, you know. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, I'm back like I never left. And guess who's up? King. Say hi. You know, when you just wake up, you're not having it. You know what I mean? But I made it back on time, though. It's not too bad. As I walk in, he just ran into me. Just woke up. But I'll finish cooking in a minute. Let me spend some time with him. Looking good, looking good. That little porridge for King. Yeah, this is another one right here. If you know, you know, guys. Just let me know if you know. Just put it in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys do this. Drop some shrimp in it, a little jumbo shrimp. There's a lot going on here. You know, when you put the shrimp in it, it don't take long to cook. It's in and out. Pasta right here. Let me make some sauce real quick. That's what we talking about. That's what we talking about, man. Yeah, that's the little. As soon as I mix it up, you'll be able to see all the sauce and everything. On top just look a little bit dry, but it's not. Guess who decided to come show daddy some love? Guess who decided to come show daddy some love? Show daddy some love? Yeah? Whatever, you're not paying me no attention. I got food on my face. Yeah, I've been in the kitchen for a minute, man. Yeah, it's a lot going on here. Got fish, got shrimp on the side right here. The lighting is horrible, right? I got corn, crackers on the side. But yeah, the lighting is bad. I don't know if y'all can see it fully. But yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Don't be laughing with the camera. They want to see you eat. Eat. TV? Good job. Yummy. Give me a clap. Give me a clap. Give me a clap. Yeah, all they want to drink is milk and juice. Hey, I got to fight with them every day to eat. Chicken. That's how we eat it. We think it's chicken. Good, right? Fist bump. Big boy, man. Good job, Kinky. It's time for my taste test now. Sit down. Yeah, I'm so full, man. I'm so full, man. I'm about to just go get some sleep real quick. So I'll see you guys next time, man.